Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Now in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a makeup brush set. Okay, now this makeup brush set is extremely affordable and you get a lot of brushes, different types of brushes for a very less amount. But whether it is of good quality or not is what we are going to see in this video. This particular makeup brush is extremely raved among makeup artists who are in the beginning stage of career, and also makeup artists who wants to establish a business by investing very little amount, and also like other people rave about this particular set, and we are going to see whether it is really worth it or not. Okay. So the brush I'm talking about is Beili Beauty's professional makeup brush set. Okay, now I have got 30-piece set from Amazon. I got this for 1800 rupees, and this is a 30-piece set. As I mentioned, if you divide 1800 by 30, you are going to get the value 60, which means each brush is 60 rupees, which is a steal deal. And sometimes this can even go on offer like till rupees 1600 rupees, and then it is going to be a real steal for you all. Okay, now you get a lot of brushes like 30 brushes for 1800 rupees. It's extremely affordable, right? But as I already mentioned, whether it's going to be good quality or not is what we are going to find in this video. But before that, let me just clear the air, which is about Beili's dupes, okay, or duplicate copies of Beili beauty brushes. Okay, so when you go to online or Instagram beauty stores, you will be able to find a lot of Beili beauty brushes, but the thing is you won't be able to understand or know whether they are original or not. Okay, there are a lot of Instagram stores who sell original Beili brushes, but chances are higher it can be fake also. Okay, now how I came to know and how I bought original is I went to Google search and I typed Beili beauty. Okay, so you get the official website, and if you go to official website you can order it from there also, but the offers won't be that great. Okay, you won't get it under 1000 2000 and all that. You have to spend at least 2700 rupees or so, but you get a lot of variety on their official website, and they ship to India. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to buy from other sources, just go to there will be an option on their website which is called where to buy. You can simply type Beili beauty brushes where to buy in the search bar and you will get the result. Okay, you just click on that and you can see a list of options through which you can buy. Okay, and in that there will be an option called Amazon, and under Amazon there will be Amazon India. So I just went inside it and you will be able to see Beili's official store on Amazon. Okay, there are other Beili brush sets on Amazon which are not from this original store, so be careful. Go to that official Beili store on Amazon and you will be able to see just 3 options. At least when I bought, there were only 3 options, so choose from the 3 and order. That's how you get original Beili brushes. Okay, and let's speak about the brushes in itself, the build of the brushes. Okay, so the handle is made up of wood. It's very lightweight wood. Okay, and is painted with black, and it's not too heavy. At the same time, it's not too cheap. It's very easy to hold and very sturdy also. So it's of good quality. The handle is of good quality. And when it comes to bristles, in this particular set you kind of get 3 different types of bristles. One is synthetic, the other one is nano wool fiber. Nano wool fiber is something which is superior, like an advanced hybrid of synthetic makeup brushes. They are artificially made, but they mimic the actual goat hair or pony hair. Okay, and the other one is natural hair. You get goat hair and only one brush is pony hair here. Okay, so that's about the build of the brush. Okay, and next we will see what are the brushes you get in here. Let's go through this bundle of brushes. First we have our stippling brush. It is not too big, like it is almost a medium sized brush. And next we have 4 foundation brushes. First one is a flat foundation brush. You can apply foundation using this brush. Next we have our round buffer brush. This is again for foundation. You can blend your foundation very easily using this. And next we have our angled top brush. This is getting trendy these days, these angled brushes. Next we have our classic flat top kabuki brush, perfect for blending foundation. Next we have two concealer brushes. One is a big round fluffy one. I personally love to blend my matching concealer with this. Next we have a small size which is perfect for highlighting concealer. Then we have two loose powder brushes. These are not something that you can apply powder with. These are extremely soft, so you can only use this to dust your baking off or to dust the excess powder off, but not for powdering, like picking up the powder and applying, in my opinion. Okay. And nextly we have our sculpting brushes. First there is a cream contour brush. This is a very famous type of brush that a lot of people use for cream contour. Next we have our angled brush, perfect for blush application and also bronzer or powder contour. Okay, powder brush it is. Okay, I mean powder, blush and bronzer and contour. Next we have this brush which is kind of new to me. This brush picks up a lot of products, so I am thinking about how to use it, but you may know how to use it. Next we have our small fan brush. We all know what it is for highlighter, of course. Then we have another highlighter brush. This is something which came like this. Okay, the previous powder brushes I damaged a bit, but this came to me in a damaged way. Next we have eye brushes. First is this one which is little big for my eyelid, so I use it to prime my eyelids. If you have larger eyelid space, you may use it to pack, your wish. Okay, next we have the same shape but in a smaller size. I use it to pack matte eyeshadow pigments. Next we have our angled brush with one side of a spoolie. The brush side is very stiff, perfect for eyebrows, pomade and also your powders. Okay, next we have a very minute, what they call very small and precise angled brush, perfect for detailing, gel liner and also any other precise work you want to do. Next we have this wider but precise angled brush, again perfect for eyebrows, eyeliners and any detailed works. Next we have got 5 different sizes and shapes of blending brush. And next we have got 2 pencil brush. The black one is little stiffer and the white is little movable and blendable. Okay, next we have got 3 shader brushes, like the flat shader brushes. And next we have 1 eyeliner brush like this. It's a very basic eyeliner brush, and that's the last brush in the kit. So those were the brushes that come in this particular brush set. And one more thing I wanted to talk about is how they are performing after washing. Okay, now this is where you have to be very careful, because I washed them and I dried them, and I kind of found that you have to be extremely gentle while washing it, because the bristles are getting bent. Okay, either they are getting bent or they are losing its original shape. Okay, I went in a little bit vigorously and I tried, so the brush shape was disturbed a bit, and also few bristles are bent. It is my mistake, but that is how I test a product. Okay, so I am pretty sure you won't be that vigorous, but I did to just test the product. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you go very vigorously, the bristles of the brushes are gonna get damaged, so don't do that. Be very gentle while you are doing it. That's only thing I wanted to like re-emphasize, because that's very important. We wash our brushes regularly. If you are going to do the same mistake that I did, then there is no point in buying this. Okay, so here comes my final verdict. First, it is a very good product. The quality is good. The number of brushes you get, the different varieties of brushes that you get are extremely good. Okay, so the quality is amazing, the numbers is amazing, the variation, like you get a brush for your face, blush and all those things. Like the one set has a lot of variations, which is sufficient to do your entire face. Okay, and not only that, you get 2 to 3 brushes for one makeup step application, which will be convenient for makeup artists, because you will be dealing with 2 to 3 clients on a same day. So in that case, you won't be able to wash it continuously right after doing the makeup for a client. So 2 to 3 sets of brushes will be ample for you. So if you are makeup artist, definitely the number of brushes you get, the variations you get, the quality is good. Okay, and one more thing I noticed is that if you have sensitive skin, these brushes are extremely perfect for you, because they are soft. Okay, so brushes that are extremely dense and thick, when you use it to blend, your skin may feel little irritated, but these kind of brushes that are extremely soft are perfect for sensitive skin. So if you have, or if your client have sensitive skin, then this makeup brush set is perfect. Okay, and let's do a simple comparison with PAC, Pro Arte, Mars and Swiss Beauty. Now when I compare this particular brush set with the PAC one, you know for a fact PAC will definitely win. Okay, because the price we are paying is higher, so they can give better quality. Let's come to Pro Arte. Pro Arte is not extremely priced, but I would say is pricier than the Beili makeup brush, so I would say Pro Arte also wins here. And let's compare it with Mars and Swiss Beauty, which both are, I mean, these brands are almost around the same price point, so let's compare. Okay, I would still say Mars quality is great than Beili's makeup brush, but Mars have got quite a good number of variations also. You get Mars Tools of Titans, they have a professional brush set kit also, and you also have their artist arsenal brush set. So they have good number of variations, and they also have good quality. Like Mars brushes are of like extremely like, they are of great quality. I would definitely recommend Mars brushes any day, anytime, every day, every minute. Okay, because they are of great quality. So when I compare Beili with Mars, I would still say Mars wins here, but Swiss Beauty will not win, because Swiss Beauty have very limited variations of brushes, and Inside have also launched their brush thing. Like I only have their blending brush. I can only speak from this blending brush experience. It is also of good quality, but I don't like the handle of Inside brushes. The bristles and the way it perform is really good. So if you compare the Beili with Mars, Mars wins. So Swiss Beauty, Beili wins. And Inside, I would still give it to Beili, because Inside's brush varieties are okay for non-makeup artists, but not for makeup artists. Even for that matter, Mars have got good variations, but still they need to come up with other different brushes also, like when in the eye makeup category and all that. Okay, so I would say the brush quality is good, and if you can afford PAC or Pro Arte or any other high-end or professional makeup brand, then go for it. You can skip on this. But if you are a big makeup artist who is in the beginning level of career, and if you want something to serve your needs without burning a hole in your pocket, then this can be a great option. Okay, how you can actually buy this and you can use it whenever you get good sum. You can obviously invest in PAC. Okay, so yeah, one more thing I did not like or I find as a con is the brushes don't have labels. Like they only mentioned their brand name, but not whether it is a foundation brush or whether it is a blending brush or a pencil brush. They haven't mentioned it, which can be a little confusing for beginners, because when you are starting with makeup, it could be little confusing. Okay, although it is good in a way, because even I am someone, I've never really used one particular makeup brush for that particular thing. Like I have used highlighter brushes for powdering, like I've used highlighter brushes for blending my concealer, so I can also do those kind of things, but still I would prefer it to have labels to make it easy for beginners, because anyway we are recommending this for beginner makeup artists. So that is the only that is also one of the thing that I found as a limitation, a very small limitation. Okay, but otherwise, as I already mentioned, if you are a beginner level makeup artist and if you want a very good makeup brush set under a budget, then go for it. But if you can afford PAC or Pro Arte, then always go for PAC and Pro Arte. There is also this other brand called London Prime, which also does good makeup brushes. I heard, but I haven't used. That is my final verdict. I hope I didn't confuse you. Okay, so I will just give a summary. They are good makeup brushes, and you get a lot of brushes in one set, and that set is very affordable. So if you are someone who has got limited budget to start your makeup journey, then you can definitely go for this. But if you are someone who has got wider budget, with which you can afford Pack, Pro Arte, or London Prime, Smashbox, Morphe for that matter, you can go for those and avoid this. Okay, so for those makeup artists who are in the beginning level of career and who has got very less budget, you can definitely go for it. But if you are someone who wants to do self makeup, you have to see, like, you have to see how you are going to use your makeup brushes. If you need a lot of brushes, then go for this, of course. But if you don't need, there are other makeup brush sets like Tools of Titans and all that. Okay, even they have 20 brush set kit, so you can go for it. Okay, with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all found this useful and informative. Let me know if you want me to review any other products or tools. Leave in the comments. Okay, so I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye 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 bye.